Okay. Hello, guys. Sorry for the inconvenience. We are facing a network problem here, and I hope you can hear me now. Hello, guys. Sorry for the inconvenience, and welcome back to Moonkind live session. And okay, guys. Let's get into the live session, and let's go to the chart. So, I'm on BTC crypto chart. So I'll spin to two. Okay. So it will be useful, and it will be easy to see the CME gap and the real BTC chart. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the chat box. So if you compare the CME gap and the BTC normal chart, you can see so much of similars and similarities, and you can predict the next move in a long term perspective. So I'll explain the analyze, and I'll go for examples also in this. As you guys can see, that the left side of my screen is the live chart, the real chart, and the right side of this is the CME gap chart. Okay, so the difference between this is the gaps that formed in the BTC chart will be appear in the BTC CME gap. Okay, so you can see the head and shoulder here, right? Inverse head and shoulder. So in the real chart, what has happened? In the real chart, it has successfully broke the neckline. Okay, it has successfully broke the neckline. You can see the breakout here. Yeah, you can see the breakout here, right? And the same thing happened in the CME gap also. I'll just do for you here. We have this left shoulder and the head and the right shoulder. So after the breakout in the CME gap chart, you can see a gap formed in the neckline. You see, you can see the after the impulse breakout, you can see a gap, bro. I mean, formed here. You see, and if you go for the real chart, it's like a retest. If the market come back, it's like a retest. You see, you can see it clearly, retest in the neckline. So it could be a very big correction also, or maybe a single week single can fill all this gap. Okay, depends on the market volatility. We'll go to the weekly chart. See the gap. I think the gap is formed here, right over here. Okay, so if the market the reversal is expected at any moment. Okay, because now it is a little bit overbought. So reversal is expected because you see the all-time high already created, right? What happened? The liquidity, I mean, it swept the liquidity. Still, we didn't have a proper candle close above that. Okay, this was the previous all-time high, I mean, recently created all-time high. I'll just mark previously. Okay, so what happened? The for the previously created all-time high, the market just swept the liquidity. There are only we should see for a 1 day close. Okay, I mean a weekly. This chart is in a weekly chart, right? I mean candlesticks. So we should see a weekly candle close above this candle. Okay, above this all-time high, we should see a weekly candle close. Okay, should see a candle close like this. We need a candle close like this. Okay, so if the market successfully made a, I mean, very big candle closing above this previous all-time high, so that could lead a potential move towards upward. Okay, it could go for a potential upward move. So I just compare the CME gap chart to clarify the pullback, because every time the CME gap is formed, you can see the retracement, right? You can see the retracement. You see the retracement. The gap is formed and then it has come to fill that. The same thing goes here. You see the gap is formed. It has come to fill here. Okay. Again the same thing. You see there's a gap here. It made a very big impulse to the down, and then see how it has respected the gap and went. So this could happen again also. Okay, after every gap has been filled, we are having a impulse move. You can notice that also in this chart. Okay, you see after every gap is filled, you can see the gap is filled, and we had a very big rally, and we had a short term this on pullback, and again we had a gap over here. Okay, you see the gap that is created through for by the buyers. And what happened after the gap is filled? It has rally more than the previous one. Okay, it has rally more than the previous one. The same thing could happen. Okay, you see the same thing happened here. Yeah, the gap is filled and then went for a big rally. So the same thing market doesn't repeat, but it rhymes, right? So the gap might be filled here, while it respect the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder, and then go for a rally movement to the upside. Okay, to go for a rally movement. So this was the update that I wanted to give on the BTC. And let's go to the ETH, and after that we'll go for the meme coins that you are requested for an analyze. So I hope this BTC analyze was useful for you guys. So let's go to the ETH. Okay, okay, let's go to the ETH chart, crypto exchange. As you guys can see, nowadays the ETH is not moving much well. It's being sideways and no volatile in that market. So I hope this is just waiting for a big move. I hope this is what ETH is gonna do. So let's see what is it doing. Okay. So as you guys can see here, after every high is broken, there was another all-time high created. You see? So we can see, identify some trend lines over here also. Okay, you can see the trend lines that drawn here. See the trend line market has formed. Okay, see several times the market attempt to, I mean, mitigated this area. You can see the mitigations. You see mitigations and break, and then there were two mitigations here. So when you go deeply into the chart, I'm in the weekly chart. Okay, inform you that also. You can see another trend line that's forming here. Okay, it will be a future trend line. So you can see a trend line that is forming here. So you can see a inverse head and shoulder here as well. I mentioned this every time in live session. You can see inverse. You see the neckline is formed here. Okay, this is a weekly chart, guys. So if a breakout is happened, it could lead a very big impulse. I mean rally movement. This is another trend line that is forming here, which is making this move as a channel. Okay, this is our left shoulder and the right, I mean head and the right. Okay, so I'll reduce this for maybe so. The market has filled the weekly FEG gap here. Okay, you can see the FEG gap has filled and with a very strong rejection. Okay, and also if you go for the lower time frame, let's go the lower daily and just look for this. You can see a pattern forming here. You see this is a descending trend line. I'll mark out with different color so you can identify it clearly. Yeah, you can see this trend line, right? Mitigations. So this is a bull flag. You can see this is a bull flag indicating a bullish movement in the nearby future. So there are possibilities. Okay, because see the rejection over here. See the rejection candle. It's a very big rejection. So after every rejection, market should move upward. Okay, because this was impulse. It was quick, right? So it took every. I hope this took every liquidity under here. This previous low here, and this was I mean, it was a previous support. I guess. Yeah, it was a previous demand zone. Okay. So what happened? Every liquidity has been swept, and the market is now heading towards the upside. You can see the rejections here, right? That's it. The market is very volatile here at the current moment. We have impulse and impulse to the both side. You can see the market, not a clear trend. Okay, so a clear trend is decided after a breakout to the in this trend descending trend line. Okay, so let's go to the daily and see how far this price can go if we had a breakout. Okay, so now we know the rejection is very strong, and we had two rejection. The first one it was a fake. Okay, and the second one was very strong, and you can see three eyes. So now the prediction is to the upward, not to the downside. So let's see how far this price can lead in the future. Okay, I mean maybe I can't time the market. So the maximum after the breakout, it could lead is 5,600 price range, $5,600 price range. And if there are any fundamental news related to this layer, Ethereum layer of blockchain, So this could hype even more. Okay, so let's go. This is a short term, in mid-term target. 5,600 is a mid-term target. So if you go for the long term, this is our previous low and the high. It will be like 14,000. Okay, like 14 nearby. Yeah, it will be like $14,000. This will be the long term target. So as many people mentioned, this bull cycle will be a super cycle. Okay, so after a super cycle there will be a super bear market. Okay, there will be a biggest recession. You can, if you go to the social media, you can see the talks about that. So the ETH update, I hope this was useful for you guys. So now let's get into the coins that you guys recommend to do analyze. So if you have any doubt in the ETH and the BTC update, you can just ask in the comment, I mean the chat box. So now, can you guys see now? Yeah. If you can see, you can just put a drop a message. I'll go to the, yeah, no, okay. Okay, now let's go to the ETH again and I'll explain it. Okay, so you can see the trend line here, right? You can see the trend line. It mitigated several times, and it has again mitigated two times. So the fifth time can be a breakout. I mean, it could break up. Okay, so in the higher time frame, if you go to daily or weekly, you can see this head and inverse head and shoulder, right? So what happened in the inverse head and shoulder? The left shoulder and the right shoulder is created, okay, with a very big rejection candle here. You can see the FEG has been filled with a very good rejection. And as well, if you go for the daily chart, okay, if you go for the daily chart, you can see the demand that was created before. Okay, see the demand zone here. So what happened after the uh, this impulse move? Every liquidity under this demand has been cleared out. Okay, every liquidity that was under this demand, okay, I'll just draw that, under this demand was liquidated, and it has filled some orders in the FEG also. And you can see the pattern. This is a bullish pattern. Okay, this is a bullish pattern, flag pattern. So after breakout, we had a clear rejection to the downside, right? See the rejection candle. So we expect the market to go further and further to the upside. Okay, no, not to the down. So first we had a fake out, which is on the demand, and then we had a clear rejection. It took every liquidity, I mean sell side liquidity that was under this. Okay, it took every liquidity that was under this. Now I think it will break this high over here. Okay, and it will break the all-time high also. So the short-term target for this, if this breakout could lead up to 5,600, as I mentioned before, it could lead up to 5,600. So this is the price that I marked before. This will be the, this 5,600 will be the short, I mean mid-term and the short term. If the breakout is successful, we can see the rally very soon. All the way like this. Okay, and we can have some corrections here. Maybe forming a pattern or something. Okay, so the long term target, if the all time high is broken, price to lead until this $14,000 per coin. Okay, this price range is expected if the all time high is broken. okay, but it will struggle to go there if the money inflows are great. If the ETF flow and the news recently was that US pension funds are gonna also inflow in this crypto market, so it's worth of 55 trillion. Okay, so if the all-time high is broken, so this is a good indication, because inverse head and shoulder in a higher time frame is a high probable um, pattern. Okay, it doesn't make a manipulation also. It go for a long distance and then come for a just a small pullback, and these are high probable, I mean, analyze. Okay, so every time the inverse head and shoulder form, it is a reversal. I mean, the trend is reversed. Okay, so we had this downtrend for short term, right? You can see the downtrend structure break. So now it has but it has turned to the uptrend. Okay, so I hope this ETH and the BTC update was clear for you guys. So if you have any doubt, you can drop a message in the comment box. Okay, we'll read through the chat box, and Ishan asked for the last guy who request for more coins, and I have a question. Last all cycles were dominated retail sellers. This time, big institutions are involved vastly. Will this cycle become the biggest as last three? Will it take two, three? Yeah, this cycle will be a super cycle. Okay. As you guys can see, I mean, go to the YouTube. You can see the Da Vinci J, and he's saying that this cycle will be a super cycle, because for the last two bull cycle we haven't faced the real gain. Okay, he's saying like that. Okay, so I also done some research on that, and yeah, that's true. Okay, because the last bull cycle's BTC expectation was 100,000. Okay, so but it couldn't. Uh, the target wasn't achieved. So what happened? The remaining of the target also comes with the next bull run. Okay, that's what he's saying, and this bull run's target is 1 million for BTC. So then let's say the last bull run was I mean like 300,000 for per coin, and this bull run was like for 1 million dollar for per coin. So there are some, the 1 million is promised, I mean fixed. The 1 million target is fixed for this bull run. So it can take at least four, I mean like two bull cycles. It should take like that. So this bull cycle will be a biggest, I mean it will be a super bull cycle. So that's what people are, I mean the wise people are talking about, and I hope you understood this. Yeah, we'll go to the coins that people are asking, and let's go for, yeah, I did Rune no, Akita I did last time, so I think don't, there's no change in that. Okay, so let's go to the YGG coin. Okay, let's go to YGG. So YGG, you better not open long position or short in the current market situation, because it's in uncertainty. So market is volatile, very volatile. It's moving up and down. So be careful with your trades, and if you are trading, be careful with your risk management. Okay, have a proper risk management, so you can back up some for the bull run. Okay, so we'll go for the weekly chart and see what it is doing. So the YGG, so you can see a trend line that is forming here. This also indicates a bullish movement in the near future. Okay, it could happen anytime, but I think market could dump a little more. Okay, and go for a very big bullish movement. So this is a bull flag, as you guys know. I'll mark in another color. So if the pattern works like this, the way I say, okay, the market could even go higher. So that's what the market is giving us. Okay, let's say this is the all-time high. If this pattern manages to break this high, okay, then we'll go for a target of, the first target will be this high, all-time high. If this breaks successfully, then the target could be $33. Okay, this could be happening. So if the project is good, this could happen with a lot of money inflow. And as you guys can see that this is a rally, I mean impulse move. Okay, this is a rally, and this is a base, like a base. Okay, it's a correction wave. So correction lasts for long, and rally goes in very quickly. So this could happen. So another rally should come, and then another correction, and then a rally. Okay, so that's how wave form it goes. Okay, it should go in a rally base, rally, and then a correction, and then another rally. So this is how market should go. So mark these points, and let's go to the next coin that guys are recommending. Okay, ORC coin. Okay, ORC coin, it's not available in trading view. So let's go to that in. I mean, for the last end of the video, we'll go for that, and we'll go for another coin is suggesting. Yeah, Flux. We'll go for Flux and CRV. CRV is a good project because the all-time high is very far. So we'll go for the CRV. I hope we gave a spot trade on that. Okay. Let's go to the crypto. Okay. So the all-time high is about 60, yeah, $55. So it's very big. I mean, you can see the gain. The current market price is nearly $1. So see the gain if you have bought in the bottom. If you have bought in the bottom, see the gain. It's 20,000 times gain. Okay. So this is a good project. You can see the how beautifully the trend line has broken. Okay, so we gave a spot trade on this. So let's go to the spot trade and let's see how it worked. If you have any other coins, you can just recommend that. And if you want any update related to XRP, because XRP could go for a pullback now. Okay, it's overbought, but the pullback is only 32%. I mean, confirmed. Let's go to the Bybit account and let's see what's happening. Okay, let's go to the VIP group and let's see how it's working. Okay, I mean, let's see the CRV trade that we gave. Mm, let's go to the CRV. Let's search for CRV. Yeah, you can see there are so much of sport trades that are given on the subscription. Mm, yeah, so let's go to the chart and just okay, let's analyze that. So as you guys can see, the trend line, the descending trend line has been broken successfully. So it indicates another further impulse move towards upside. You can see this is a bull flag. This also indicates a bull flag in a long term perspective. You can see the bull flag, right? See how it has rejected and took all the swept all liquidities here. Okay, the setup was clean, but it was volatile during that time. You see, took every liquidity and then skyrocketed to the upside. It has gone like 557 times. Okay, so how far further this could lead? Okay, let's go and use the fib and just see how further this could go. So the $62 is confirmed because it's the all-time high. So it made that in the previous season it has said that they went to this $62. So again they can make to this level. Okay, that's their. So we can see the market has just closed successfully above the resistance. I mean, zero point 0.5 level. You see, it has successfully closed with a bullish candle. Okay, bullish candle. Now it's a retest, and see the retest. It also has successfully retested here. Okay, you see it has successfully retested in this level, which is zero point 0.7 fib level. So next target could go like wise. Okay, likewise. So this is a long term hold. It should hold with diamond hands, guys. Okay, you are in a safe zone because this never goes. I mean, see the rejection in the down. Okay, and you can see the same. I mean, you see the pattern that is a continuation pattern. This is a continuation pattern. You can see the descending trend line. Okay, this is a bull flag, so indicates a continue. This is a continuation. Okay, see, you should go up higher and higher. So this bull cycle will be a very big super cycle. Okay, so let's go to the next coin. Next go for flux and then NTRN cipher I did last. So I think the market hasn't changed yet. NFP. Okay, let's go for XAI. Okay, that's a good coin and good project XAI. So I'm on the Mexi chart, okay, Mexi exchange. So see the all-time high is about $1.6, okay. Let's create an all-time high and use a Elliott wave in this, okay. So we can see the first impulse, okay. This is third wave, okay. This is third wave somewhere. The market might have started somewhere, and this is third and the fourth, and this is a correction wave, okay. Correction wave. So if we take this as a B C D E, this should go below this, okay. It should go about range of, yeah, it should go at least range of $0.08 per coin. I mean $0.09 per coin. And as well as if you go with the ABC pattern, ABC pattern. So this the correction wave has been ended right over here. So okay, if we look further down, you can see that you can see a support here, right? You can see a very big support. You see the support. So I hope this will break. This support will be break because you can see a head and shoulder here. It's a clear head and shoulder. See head is here and the shoulders is here. So this is a very I mean it has mitigated several times. So that could be a small pullback and then go for a, it can be like a liquidity sweep also, okay. It could sweep like over here and then go all the way up, okay. We go here, yeah, it could come like range of like this, because this is strong there will be more orders, I mean sell orders and buy orders here, so it should be swept, okay. So there will be a good momentum for the, I mean good fuel for the market to move upward. So let's see how further this coin could go in the future, okay. So if it comes about 1.7, it's a very big gain, guys. It's a very big gain. Okay, let's take from the 0.0, I mean 0.1. It's about 1,000 times, okay. Like 100, yeah. If you put 1 lakh, it's 100, yeah, 10 times. It's 10 lakh, okay. So invest with your own research, and this is just my idea, okay. So let's go to the next coin. So if the high is broken, then the further the gain will be higher. If you bought the bottom, the gain will be higher. Let's go to the next one. Okay, let's go for not and TIA. Okay, not is based on ton network. So if they get hype during this super cycle, we could see a potential growth in the ton coin ecosystem and as well as in the meme coins that are under ton network. So let's go to the not coin. Okay, guys, you can see this is impulse one. Now this going for a correction. Okay, see how long the correction is being. It's like from last year May. Okay, from last year May. Still, it is continuing the correction pattern. Okay, I think this market will take out the liquidities under this demand zone. Okay, the market should take, because several attempts is making the uh, demand or supply weak. Every time the orders are getting filled, is getting weak, okay. You can see the market has several times it has mitigated, you see. This is the first time. Okay, first time, second time, and the third time, the fourth. Oh, it's in the fourth attempt. Okay, you can see a small upward move, and the fifth attempt will be a, I mean, breakdown. It can lead up to like here somewhere, and I'll just say the not exact point. So the approximate point where this market could lead. It could lead until this 0.003607. This price range, this market could reverse at any time. Okay, from this 0 point, it could reverse. Okay, so it's better not to opening a long or short position. Better you DC in the spot, because in long we can't actually time the market currently, because ETS also it's currently unstable. You see another pattern that, I mean, reversal pattern is forming here. Okay, so this pattern has broken successfully to the down. So I think this could go even lower. Okay, low and return to the upside. So this is a good investment. So it's price also it's cheap. It's a good investment. Let's go for next one. Okay, let's go for TIA. Okay, TIA is also a good project. That's TIA Celestia. Okay, Celestia's. Okay, TIA. As you guys can see, currently market broke this descending, okay, descending trend line. And what happened after the market broke this descending trend line? You see the after so much of struggle only this market has broken. Not easy, it was not easy. See the struggle, see how much of mitigations here. And then at the last time, you see, first one, okay, second one, third, fourth, the fifth attempt, what happened? Market just broke the descending trend line. Okay, see the market the fifth time, market has broke the trend line. And after that, what happened? We had a rally, I mean, very big fall to the downside, and it has retested. Okay, this trend line has been retested, as you guys can see here. So now let's go to the lower time frame and then discuss what's happening in the lower frame. Okay, so it's like a, I mean, cup and handle pattern. You can see the curves here, right? I'll just draw the trend line that is resting over here. Okay, so this is the trend line that's I drew by the line chart. I always recommend to draw trend line in using a line chart. So that's to find the exact point. You can see the mitigations over here, right? See the mitigations, so much of struggle. So I consider that as a resistant. Okay, resistant in line. So you can see the perfect how the market is moving, right? You can see now the market should retest. Just keep like this. Okay, let's draw a bow like this. So what happened? The market has, yeah, the market should come, or it could pump from here. Okay, yeah, if you go for lower time frame, there you see a pattern there. So if the market broke this successfully, it could lead a very big gain. Okay, let's go and check how far this can lead. Can go till 14 at least 15. Okay, at least 15 in this bull cycle. See, the market was in the sideways for a long time. Yeah, you see the sideway, right? See the sideways. So trading inside this is in a scalping is good, but if you go for swing trades, you will stop out very quickly. See the sideways of this market. So when the market is sideways, it should manipulate in a one side. So I hope this market should manipulate one side. Okay, that's just one scenario, and go for a healthy move towards upside, or else this could even go like this. Okay, because it's already taken the liquidity here. You can see the, yeah, you can see the trend line. Yeah, you can see the market has already taken the liquidity, so there's no need for the market to come. See the order flow of this. It's respecting very perfectly. Yeah, you can see the flow right here. It's respecting every time. So let's go to the lower time frame and see what pattern is it forming. Okay, you see it's like a descending trend line. Okay, it's a good indication for a, see the momentum of this coin in a 2 hours. It's pumping. Okay, so it should go and break this level. So hope you guys trade carefully, because see the volatile over here. The market is volatile during the first period of March, I mean January. It is very volatile here. If you go for every market and see, it's very volatile. So let's go to the next coin. mm, XAI is done, and let's go for week. Yeah, let's go for Trump. Okay, let's go for Trump coin. And it's, yeah, when you're choosing a meme coin, choose a good project. Okay, don't rely on everything, because everything is not a good one, because every meme coins are made because of the hype in the social media. So you better watch out that also. Okay, let's go for Trump coin. Okay, now let's you see, you can see a demand zone. It's respecting that demand. So this is the first time it's coming to I mean disrespecting. So if this demand hold this coin successfully, so this could go for a very big gain, even go for $100. Okay, I'm currently on week, I mean 2 hours chart. Okay, not any higher time frame. You can see the trend line that I drew here. Okay, so the, if you go for the structure base, see how beautiful the structure is broken. So if you go for structure base and just measure the distance, how far this coin could go, it could go at least yeah, at least this point. It could reverse from this point, or else this. Okay, if there are more rejection in the demand, so that will be a weak demand. Okay, so we can expect a continuation. Now the market is have a clear rejection. You see hammer candle. So in a 2 hour time frame. So let's go for the low smaller time frame and see what's happening in that. Yeah, we confirm the uptrend when the high is broken. Okay, when the high is broken, and also the market has respected this demand over here. You can see, okay, I mean supply. Previously it was demand, and now it has made it became as a what, supply. Yeah, this is the supply. So it's respecting those supply. So Better watch this level key levels. Yeah, I see a channel that's going over here, right? You see the channel. See the channel pattern. What is channel pattern indicating? It's a bullish. Okay, it's a bullish thing. See, we had a structure break. Okay, so it should break this. Okay, anything could happen in the market, guys. So better stick to your risk management and trade carefully. So this could go higher. We give prediction also in this. This could go even higher because if you go for if you go with the Elliott wave, this is a correction wave, right? So let's go from the top to bottom. This is A, and let's see. Yeah, this will be the D. Yeah, this one. This is what happening. If you go for the previous one, you can see this is the first wave. Okay, second wave, third wave, and see it's perfectly matching. Okay, so if you go in this is a 15-minute analyze, guys. So you see there was a pattern like this. If you go for Binance, you can see the pattern like this. Okay, in 15 minutes. So now it's in a E wave. Okay, I mean it has formed the D wave. Now it's I mean making the E wave, which could be a first wave of the pattern and go for a third wave. So if you are buying this and holding, you can target for the high. Okay, you can target for the high, which is $77. If the high is broken, then the price could even go for $150, $130. So this could happen. Even it could pass 150. Okay, let's go for the next coin. I hope this was a good, I mean, good example. Okay, for the analyze. A BTC update we did lastly, right? If you want, you can after the session has ended, you can go and just watch that repeat. I mean, rewatch that. I don't know about the promotion that you are talking about, and you do your own research on that because I'm not into the promotion of the coins. So do your own research and get into that. So invest properly. Dixie price prediction. Okay, let's go for Dixie. Let's go for ORC. Lastly, I still remember that. And Dixie, right? It's like Forex Dixie. So we gave prediction in this also, which was an upward direction. So this still it's consolidating. You can see the consolidation. Let's go for V. I mean for low higher time frame. You can see that cup and handle pattern here, right? Go for the line chart and draw the trend line that you see here. Yeah, I see the trend line here. Okay, I see a trend line here. See the rejections, small rejections. See the rejections. You see. So that's the reason I took this as a what a resistance. We'll go with the red color. So I'll undo the marks, and it has successfully what made a close. Okay, so wait for the weekly close candle to close above this. Wait for the candle to close above that. So if they close successfully, then the target that we expect is $180. Okay, this is the target that we expect for this coin. So it could happen because this coin is very volatile. You can see the moves of the impulse. See, in 1 week, okay, one weekend, 1 week, one candle, 600%, 62 times, I mean, 6 times. If you go with, see the impulse? This could go for a correction, but this is the last impulse ending. Impulse correction, and last correction should be happen. Impulse correction, impulse, and a deep down correction. So that's a waveform of the market. So if you are buying this, just buy this, and I'm not financial advising. Just buy and sell somewhere here. It could even reverse from this price, 67. Sell 40% or 60%, and just DCA that. This is just my idea. Okay, just DCA with that money, and again you can gain a lot. Let's go for the next coin. Okay. Yeah, Rune. Let's go for Rune. Analyze Rune USD. It has recently fallen very aggressive, right? So I think this is a strong week. I mean, this could be a reversal. Okay. So I'm currently on the weekly chart. If you take as inverse head and shoulder, you can take it as like that also. I see the same scenario for BTC as well. The same scenario like BTC. Okay. There's a pattern. Okay, flag pattern. See the rejection. This rejection is a strong rejection, guys. Okay, this rejection is a strong rejection, which see, I think this demand has been respected. Now this is getting stronger, so look for only longs in this. So 68% look for longs and 32% have a doubt. Okay, always use a stop loss when you are trading. So this is a very big bullish uh, indication. This pattern is, if you go for the day chart, see the rejection. If the day chart close like a fake out candle, you can confirm that this will go up. Okay. Yeah, wait for the breakout and a retest, and boom, we go up. Okay, boom, we go up. Just wait for the breakout. If you're DCing, no, it doesn't matter, but always use confirmation before entering the market. Wait for the breakout, and then you can buy. Okay, if you're bought down, you can still hold that, and let's see how far this coin can go. Okay, it's about $170. So the minimum amount can go is $54. This is for, can guarantee this price. If the high is broken, this is a easy price. Okay, so the long term is 166. Currently it's $2.6 per coin. So let's go for another analyze. Okay, let's go for a good coin. Okay, not a meme just came yesterday. Or meme also, choose wisely. Okay, let's go for the ORC. So I'll end up with the video with the live session with the ORC coin. To go for ORC, you should go for Deck Screen. Okay, that's a platform you can just watch ORC. Yeah, we'll just take ORC. Yeah, let's go for deck screener. Wait for a moment to the board to verify as a human. Okay. So in next session we will talk about XRP trade and XRP about XRP and Solana. Okay. Quincy guy, that guy is very famous, and okay. So it's currently this coin's market cap is 2.9 million. Okay, still cheap to, I mean, allocate some amount, but don't bet full on this because these are just memes, right? Just meme. There are 16,000 holders, so there are big holders also. Okay, 16,000 holders. If you go for 4 and daily, yeah, this is a big correction, guys. So if you are investing in a correction, it's a good indication that it will sure go up. Okay, you can see this trend line, and as well as you can see the support that's being dictating in this market. You see the support. Okay, what happened every time the market came, you see the first one, second, and you see there are more, I mean, rejections. So if the market broke up like this, then it's a sure confirm it will go up higher. Okay, seems like it's gonna break in the near future. Okay, don't bet that this will happen in the market because the market is unpredictable. Go for 1 hour and let's see any patterns are visible to us. But this is a good resistance, I mean, descending trend line, as well as you can see the structure break in a 4 hour time frame. You see, you can see the structure break, and it has come for a 50% fill. Okay, this analyze for the guy who asked for ORC coin. Okay, just be concentrate and focus in this and get the information that I say. Let's go 50 minutes and see what are the indications that we see. Okay, now for 4 hour from 4 hour to 15 minutes. In the 15 minute, you can see the impulse movement, right? See the impulse movement. This is impulse movement. Now after that, what happened? The market came for a correction. So now for an impulse rally base rally. If you see any reversal pattern in the bottom, then that indicates a rally towards upside. So I see a inverse head and shoulder here. Okay. If you go for 1 hour, you can see a trend line that is formed here, right? Okay. See the trend line, how far, I mean, it's easy to draw in, I mean, if you're using a line chart, it's easy to find the trend lines. Okay. And now go for 15 minutes and you can find that this is a reversal pattern. So this indicates a very, I mean, the downtrend has over and now it's time for the uptrend. See, now this breakout will be an impulse one, impulse like that before one. So this is a good investment. If it is listed on other platform, then the market cap and the total supply will be increased. So let's end up the live session with this, and yeah, we'll end up the live session with this, and let's meet up on another live session. And if you are struggling with coins, okay, I mean, if you are searching for coins, search for a good project and see research their communities by searching in social medias, and do some deep research in that. Just don't because of the name, don't choose the coin because it could vanish in a day. Okay, because it's not created by you, right? it could vanish. So it's better you focus on AI and technological side, okay, technical and gaming side, because Nvidia and there are more companies are getting aligned together for gaming and AI technology. Okay, so let's end up this live session, and let's meet up on another good live session next by next week. So hope you guys gained a good knowledge in this live session. And okay, bye guys. Good night. Take care. Okay, welcome. I'll come up with the good gems in the coming week. Okay. I did previously. I did YouTube videos also, which are low cap market, and which could give a good percent. Okay, I mean good gain. So let's end up this session. Okay, bye guys. Good night. Take care.